Hi guys, welcome to CAD CAE tutorial. Today we are going to see and use line and polyline tools in Autocad. So let's see what are the line and polyline tools and how to easily use in Autocad software. At first open Autocad software, then you want to create new sketch interface. Today AutoCAD lecture 5th is discussed here, and 2 point is very important in this point in AutoCAD software. Okay, at first open AutoCAD software, then line and polyline tools discuss here. Okay, this is a AutoCAD software interface, and first all tools is see here and learn one by one easily and deeply and easily discuss here. At first select a line and any point select here, and this is a grid point is off, then grid point is on, and this point is a okay, this is a off, and first point click here and another point is a this point, and so this point, and also this point is a orthogonally off and this orthogonally on, then automatically select a line or select a perpendicular line. Okay, this line and this line and any this line also, and select right click and select enter. Okay, remove. Okay, zoom in, zoom out, and another line is just select here this point and this point and this point, this point and this point. Okay, right click enter. Okay, and this point is a okay. Okay, oh, next this point, this point. Okay, and not so this point. Okay, okay, snap. Okay, and this point is okay, right click enter. Okay, dimension mention this point and linear point, this point and this point is a okay, and also this point and this point is okay, linear, this point okay, this point is okay, and this point is okay, this also linear point, this point and this point is okay, and this point and this point is okay. All discuss here, but size is very large, then size is small, then D enter and modify, and tool fit primary tool is a 1.1 and text is a red color, and the size is 1. Okay, size is a 2, and line symbol is a 1 and 1. Okay, this is a perfect. And another point, another discuss here, second point is a polyline. Okay, polyline is this, and this point is select here, and orthogonal is off. This drag any angle size and linear size. Okay, this is a this point, and this point. Okay, right click, enter. This angle is a this point, and this. Okay, and polyline is also this point, and this is a this point and this. Okay, and dimension is a linear. This point also, this point is a this point and this point, and this point is linear. And inclined dimension is also this point and this point, inclined dimension, and this point is inclined dimension, this point and this point is inclined dimension, and this point is inclined, this point and this point is inclined. But size is very small. D, enter. Also modify. Okay, primary is a okay, text is a 4. Okay, also ISO standard. Okay, this is a perfect. Also D, enter. Modify. Okay, align with dimension line, and this is a 2 and this is a 2. Okay, perfect. Size is very large size. Okay, 3, and T, enter. Size is 2, and symbol is 1 and 1. Okay, perfect. Okay, next lecture coming 6th coming soon, guys. Get at first more and more new videos. Please subscribe this channel and like and share. Okay guys, thank you.